Now this is bounce 4. This is bounce 5. Complaint 3. Complaint 4. Complaint 5. Okay, great. Now let's press Ctrl and R. Now you will see here, and let's compare it with the original application. See, date, send, delivery, open, click, bounce, complaint. So once we connect this application with AWS DynamoDB database, it will show here a real values. Okay, every time a real value. Perfect. Now we need to design our sent stats. Like this event stats, there will be a sent stats. In the sent stats, we will be just needing how many? There are only the 5. Okay, the 5 columns. So for that we can copy these columns and Control C and then Control V. Okay. Perfect. So now this is our, oops, what is this? No. This is sent stats, and date is okay, but we don't need sent, so we need here country, and then we need here event type, and we need here when, we need here total. Okay, what I can do, I can just copy it and paste it here. Perfect. So this is total. Right, now we have a date, country, event type, when, and the total, and after that we need these 5 serial numbers. Just copy it and paste it here. Perhaps we need it a little down. Exactly, now it has fit exactly the same, and I think we can copy this also directly, then we can fit it here also in the same way. Okay, the date, and after this y-axis, oops, a little higher or the lower. So what I can do, let's press Ctrl Z. Okay, great. Now what we want, date is okay. Now we need to change here. This is actually the ID, okay, the user reference. So the reference is here, sent stats date 1. Now I'm just copying it and then I'll paste it here. That's this one. Okay, sent date 1. Okay, and for this one, this is send date 2, and for this one, this is 3, and for this one, this is 4, and for this one, this is 5. Perfect. Now for the country, oh, I have not saved it yet, so what I can do, I can save it here. So tutorial, and inside the tutorial, let's give its name as youtube.ui. Okay, perfect. Now for the country, we can just give a name as a global. We can just copy it and paste it. As of now, we are designing only for the global. Just copy it, but before that we need to give here name as country 1. Okay, so this is country 1, and then we can paste it here. Then once again we can paste it here. This one also we can paste it here, and then here is the final one. So this is country 2, this is country 3, this is country 4, and this is country 5. Okay, so here we have a date and the country. Now let's go for event type. So in the event type, we have open and other type of events, whatever you select in your final application. So I had sent delivery, and all, last 5. Okay, so in that, what we can do, we can just copy it once and just paste it here for event type, and let's select all. Okay, and for this, let's make it event 1, and we can just copy it. Sorry, we need to first copy it and paste it here. Let's make it as open, it will look nice. Copy it and paste it here. Just make it as a click, it will look nice. Copy it and paste it here. Oh, leave it as it is, no problem. Just make it as a delivery. Now we need to put it as a event 2, event 3, event 4, and event 5. And for when, you see here, before 12 hours. Okay, so this is like before 12 hours. Great, so this is when 1. Okay, and then we can just copy it and paste it. Second one, this is when 2, and this is when 3, and this is when 4, and this is when 5. Now we need to change this reference also. This is when 2, when 3, when 4, when 5. Okay, and now the total email, so the label. Okay, we can just copy it and paste it here. So this is the total email which was selected and which was sent. Let's give it, let's say I had selected, let's say 10,000 email total. Okay, and for this I have to give it as a total 1 and just copy it and paste it 5 times. Okay, so total 1, total 2, total 3, total 4, total 5. Great. I think now I have covered almost everything. Let me check here once again. So these things are okay. Okay, perfect. Now if we compare this GUI, now let's press Ctrl and the R. Now you compare this GUI, don't you think it looks very nice? So in this only few tutorials you have learned how to create a graphical GUI using PyQt5. So see here and compare it, it really looks nice. Okay, you see here this from subjects and the message line, message box, and then the test email box. Have you check test email and the send test email, and you know, almost everything is same. Sent stats, event stats. This is beautiful and amazing. Okay, we are gonna rock. Perfect. So we are done with the graphical user interface which we have designed using PyQt, and from the next tutorial we will be using Anaconda and the Python 3.6 to code this PyQt graphical user interface. In fact, we will not code this graphical user interface, but in fact we will code Python so that we can get data from this GUI, and also we can send some data to this GUI so that it can update this event stats and the sent stats and the total emails to be sent and the total available emails. So once we design a little Python background for this graphical user interface, then after that we will start coding AWS server-side coding, and in that we will be needing a Boto3 Python library and AWS CLI command line interface tool, and also we will be coding in JavaScript at the lambda, which is a service of AWS. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and stay tuned for the next one, in which I'll be covering how you can code this, how you can include this GUI into your Python code. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a nice day.